Hi friends, welcome back to Brainteller's General Knowledge Important Facts series. Let us start with Opium War. First Opium War is also known as Anglo-Chinese War. It was fought between which nations? First Opium War was fought between China and Great Britain. It took place between 1839 year to 1842. 1839 to 1842. First Opium War was fought between China and Great Britain between 1839 to 1842. And Second Opium War was fought by Great Britain and France against China. It was fought by Great Britain and France against China. It is also known as Arrow War or Anglo-French War. It took place between 1856 year to 1860. 1856 year to 1860. Next question. In which year first human heart transplant was conducted? In 1967. In 1967, first human heart transplant was conducted by Dr. Christian Barnard. He is a South African cardiac surgeon. So in 1967, first human heart transplant was conducted. Next one, Hattari dance belongs to which state? It belongs to Karnataka. Hattari dance belongs to Karnataka state. Next one, who is the father of history? Herodotus is the father of history. He is a Greek historian. He is the father of history. He wrote the history's book. Next one, who is the first female governor in India? Sarojini Naidu is the first female governor in India. She became first governor in Uttar Pradesh. Next one, to become a Rajya Sabha member, what is minimum age? To become Rajya Sabha member, minimum age is 30 years. Whereas for Lok Sabha, it is 25 years. Next one, Blue Revolution is related to aquaculture. Hiralal Chaudhary and Dr. Krishna Sen are known as fathers of Blue Revolution in India. In India, Blue Revolution was launched during 7th 5-year plan, that is 1985 to 1990. During sponsorship of FFDA. FFDA means Fish Farmers Development Agency. So, Blue Revolution is related to aquaculture. Next one, this is the final question. Simon Commission is also known as Indian Statutory Commission. It came to India in 1928 year. Simon Commission came to India in 1928 year to review Government of India Act 1919. It is also known as Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. It is a system of diarchy, means dual government. So, Simon Commission came to India in 1928 to review Government of India Act 1919, which is also known as Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Montagu-Chelmsford reforms or Government of India Act 1919 were enacted in 1921 year. With this, we have come to an end for our video. Please subscribe to Brainteller's channel. Thank you for watching this video.